Hello everyone, welcome back to Sowkya Vision. Today we are going to discuss the sarcotubular system of skeletal muscle. Yes, of musculoskeletal system. What is sarcotubular system? Yes, what is sarcotubular system? It is a system of membranous structure in the form of vesicles and tubules. Yes, it is a system of membranous structure that is formed of it in the form of vesicles and tubules. Yes, the structures constituting sarcotubular system are of two types. What are they? The T-tubules and the L-tubules. The T-tubules are transverse tubules and the L-tubules are also known as sarcoplasmic reticulum. The longitudinal tubules are also going to form sarcoplasmic reticulum. So, what is the sarcotubular system? The system of membranous structure in the form of vesicles and tubules. So, the structure constituting the sarcotubular system are of two types, T tubules and L tubules. T tubules are transverse tubules, whereas L tubules are longitudinal. They are going to form sarcoplasmic reticulum. Yes, now let's discuss the T tubules. What are the T tubules? I said these are transverse tubules. These are transverse tubules presented transversely in the myofibril, yes, muscle fiber. Now, it is how it is present, it is narrow. It is presented narrow, formed by invagination of sarcolemma. See, if this is a muscle fiber covered by muscle fiber covered by sarcolemma, so the sarcolemma is pierced like this. Yes, the sarcolemma is invaginated like this, forming a tubule here. So the transverse tubule, how it is formed? By invagination of sarcolemma. Here you can see this is the transverse tubule. Transverse tubule. Yes, how it is formed? By invagination of sarcolemma. What is sarcolemma? It is a membrane of muscle fiber. Now it is open to the exterior of muscle cell. It is opened. It is opened. The ECF, it is a cell, right? Muscle fiber is a cell. So the extracellular fluid is freely floated from this tubule. Yes, the ECF is flow through this tubule, the lumen of the T-tubule. It opens to exterior of muscle cell. The ECF flows through its lumen. Yes, it is a T-tubule. Now, what is L-tubule? The longitudinal tubule or sarcoplasmic reticulum. It is present along long axis of muscle fiber. See, this is the complete muscle fiber. Yes, assume it is a complete muscle fibers. It starts from here. Yes, it is longitudinally presented. It is longitudinally present. These tubules are longitudinally present throughout the length of myofibril, muscle fiber. So forming sarcoplasmic reticulum, as I said, these are going to form sarcoplasmic reticulum and forms a closed tubular system around each muscle myofibril. Yes, these are present in the muscle fiber, going to form closed tubular system around each myofibril. Yes, now these are dilated. These are, see, here they are dilated. This is the dilation. Yes, these are dilations. Dilated, forming terminal cisternae. Yes, they are dilated at the periphery. They are dilated at the periphery, forming cisternae. These are known as cisternae. Yes, terminal cisternae. Now, what is the functions of sarcoplasmic system? Sarcotubular system. The main function of T tubules is rapid transmission of impulse. As it is opened both sides, it is easy to transmit the impulse. Yes, the main function of T tubule is to transmit the impulse, rapid transmission of the impulse, whereas L tubules, it is a storage bag of calcium. Yes, it contains abundant of calcium ions. Whenever there is a contraction of the muscle, whenever there is a contraction of muscle is taking place, then the L tubules are activated and releasing calcium. They are storing the calciums. Yes, the calcium ions are stored in the longitudinal tubule, that is sarcoplasmic reticulum. Once again, what is sarcotubular system? It is a system of membranous structure. Yes, it is a system of membranous structure in the form of vesicles and tubules. What it is constituting of? It is constituting of two components, transverse tubules and longitudinal tubules. How transverse tubule is formed? It is formed by invagination of sarcolemma. Formed by invagination of sarcolemma. It is presented longitudinally and it is open so that the ECF is flowing through the lumen of the T tubules. Yes. And L tubules, longitudinal tubules, these are presented throughout the length of myofibril. Yes, these are presented throughout the length, forms a closure tubular system. Around what? Each myofibril. Yes, it cannot pass, it cannot open like T tubule. It is closed. Yes, so that it cannot transmit rapid transmission of impulse. Yes, so what are the main function of the sarcotubular system? The main function of T tubules, as it is opened, it helps in rapid transmission of the impulse. Yes, rapid transmission of impulse. Whereas L tubule, it is a storage quantity. It so stores large quantity of calcium ions during the muscle contraction. Yes, this is complete discussion of sarcotubular system. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Like the video, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Namaste.